Hey everyone, welcome back to E&T, where recipes are easy and tasty. Today, we're cooking up a cozy and comforting Indian-style cauliflower curry, also known as Gobi Masala. Now this isn't your average curry. We're doing things a little differently today. I swear, this recipe is going to turn out super tasty. Instead of a typical tomato base, we're adding yogurt for a creamy, tangy twist. And yep, we're throwing in some potato too. Let's get into it. Before we start, if you're enjoying the channel, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot and you'll get easy, delicious recipes like this one. All right, grab your cauliflower and chop it into bite-sized florets. And hey, don't skip this part. Check for any little bugs hiding inside. Soak the pieces in hot water with a pinch of turmeric and salt for a few minutes. That'll clean them up nicely. Next up, heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add your cauliflower. Then sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of salt. Fry until they're lightly golden brown, not too much. We're just taking off that raw cauliflower smell. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Once it's golden, scoop it out and set it aside. Now, do the same thing with your chopped potatoes. Make the potato pieces a little smaller than the cauliflower, so everything cooks evenly. Fry them with turmeric and salt until golden and delicious. All right, now comes the flavor bomb. We're using mustard oil for a bold, traditional flavor, but you can totally go with regular oil if you like. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons oil, then toss in a bay leaf, a small cinnamon stick, a green cardamom pod, and a few black peppercorns. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let that sizzle and release all those beautiful aromas. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and saute until it's golden brown. Just keep the heat low so it doesn't burn. Here's a little secret ingredient, a spoonful of fried chickpea flour, also called besan. It adds a nutty depth and thickens the gravy. Time to spice things up. Add 2 teaspoons of mild red chili powder. It's for color, not heat, unless you like it spicy. Now toss in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it all a good stir. And if it's looking dry, add just a splash of water to keep things moving. Here come the dry spices. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it all together. Then add a paste made from half an onion and a blended tomato. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, until the oil starts to separate. Meanwhile, take a few seconds to whisk your yogurt. We want it nice and smooth, no lumps. Pour it into the pan on low heat. That's key. That's important, so it doesn't curdle. Mix it in gently. Then crumble in some dried fenugreek leaves. That gives it a classic North Indian flavor. Now the fun part, bring in your fried cauliflower and potatoes. Want it extra rich? Add half a teaspoon of ghee, that's clarified butter, or skip it if you're keeping things vegan. Add about half a cup of hot water to form a light curry gravy. Cover it up and cook on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Give it a stir now and then to keep it from sticking. When the potatoes are fork tender and everything smells amazing, you're done. Finish it off with some fresh, chopped cilantro. And there you have it. A rich, flavorful Gobi Masala, ready to serve. It's perfect with naan, that soft, pillowy Indian flatbread, or just spoon it over a bed of steamed rice. Or, hey, enjoy it straight from the bowl. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on E&T.